The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a groundbreaking release in the ever-competitive world of flagship smartphones. As the announcement of the Galaxy S25 series looms closer, speculation is mounting about its features and performance. While leaks often offer a glimpse of what's to come, this time we've got a clearer picture of what Samsung might deliver, particularly with its camera system. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and get exclusive updates, be sure to join our membership. The link is in the description. One of the most talked about aspects of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its camera. Samsung has a history of pushing boundaries with its smartphone photography, and it seems the S25 Ultra is no exception. Recent leaks from the camera FV5 database, brought to light by 91 Mobiles, provide exciting details about the ultra-wide and telephoto sensors that will feature in the United States version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, identified as SMS938U. The device is rumored to maintain its impressive 200-megapixel Samsung HP2 sensor for the main camera, a feature that has already set a high standard in the industry. But the spotlight is on its ultra-wide and telephoto cameras, which are expected to see major upgrades. According to the leak, these cameras will now house 50-megapixel sensors capable of producing 12.5-megapixel images. This is made possible by Samsung's innovative 4-in-1 pixel binning technology, which enhances detail and improves performance in low-light scenarios. The ultra-wide camera specifically comes with a resolution of 4080 x 3060 pixels and is supported by electronic image stabilization. Its lens has an f/1.7 aperture and a focal length equivalent to 23.2 millimeters, a notable improvement over the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This wider aperture marks a significant leap forward. It allows more light to reach the sensor, making it possible to capture brighter and more detailed photos, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Whether it's group photos, landscapes, or architectural shots, the ultra-wide lens is set to deliver a more immersive experience with a broader field of view and improved clarity. With such enhancements, Samsung seems poised to redefine what smartphone photography can achieve. But it's not just the hardware that's getting an upgrade. Samsung is also leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to take its camera game to the next level. The new generation of chipsets powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra will enhance computational photography features. This means users can expect advanced capabilities such as deblurring, better object separation in portrait mode, and even smarter post-processing. These AI-driven enhancements are designed to make photography more intuitive while producing images that are closer to professional quality. As Samsung gears up for this release, the company is clearly aiming to outshine its competitors. The combination of top-tier hardware and cutting-edge software ensures that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will not only meet but exceed expectations. The focus on innovation doesn't stop with the camera, either. Samsung's choice to integrate Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, despite its cost of over $200 per unit, shows a commitment to delivering peak performance across the board. For photography enthusiasts, casual users, and professionals alike, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers something unique. It's not just about taking pictures. It's about creating memories with unmatched clarity and depth. With the inclusion of features like wider framing angles and improved low-light performance, this device is shaping up to be a must-have for anyone passionate about smartphone photography. If you're as excited as we are and want to stay informed about every detail leading up to the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch, consider joining our membership. The link is in the description, and it's the perfect way to stay updated on the latest developments, exclusive insights, and expert analysis. As we edge closer to the launch, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is proving to be a beacon of innovation. Samsung is not just raising the bar, it's redefining what a flagship smartphone can achieve. With advancements in camera technology, smarter artificial intelligence integration, and uncompromising performance, this device is set to make waves in 2025. Don't miss out on more updates and insights. Join our membership today. The link is in the description. Be part of the journey as we uncover all that Samsung has in store and get ready to experience the future of smartphone technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, We're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.